Srujan is a study and research based organization in central India. It is located in Yavatmal district in central Indian forest tribal belt. Forests here are categorized as Central Indian tropical dry deciduous forest with teak as dominant species. This region is also a home to Kolam, a primitive tribe that cohabits with other tribes, namely Gond and Pardhan. These tribes are categorized by their primary mode of living through hunting and gathering. Over the past few decades, they are facing problems due to over-exploitation of forests, which has raised a question of their survival and existence. We at Srujan are involved in addressing this issue for almost a decade. Recently, we have completed a project under UNDP JEF Small Grants Program facilitated by CEE. Under this initiative, Srujan has undertaken various activities for awareness, capacity building and inclusive growth of Kolam tribe. The community members were involved in designing the village action plan through PRA techniques. This plan was tied up with NREGA for implementation and practical observation of areas in vicinity of these villages. For forest restoration purpose, nursery of plants belonging to the local area was developed. Seed sowing and plantations were done by village people for regenerating forests on degraded lands. Orientation sessions were arranged for children, including nature trails, herbarium preparation, etc. Village level volunteers were guided and trained for preparation of People's Biodiversity Registers, wherein the documentation of locally available biodiversity resources that are of prime importance to the villagers is being done. To make up for the loss of animal proteins, Srujan took trainings on livestock management. About 16 animal health workers have been trained so far and around 2700 animals have been vaccinated. More than 1200 animals were being treated, resulting in reduced mortality and thereby reducing the hunting pressure on forests. Another major initiative was regarding collection and proper storage of mahua flowers, which is a major anti-FP in central India. Srujan introduced a concept of mahua bank to store mahua flowers for a longer period. Storage is done particularly during monsoon and to locally use as food, animal feed and barter for essential commodities. We also held food festivals to understand the local nutrition and dietary diversity. This helped in reinstating pride about the local food in the mainstream society. Efforts were put in for strengthening kitchen gardens for reducing dependency on forests. It included provision of improved seeds, cultivation methods and irrigation methods. Approximately 125 gardens were developed. All these activities had a demonstrative effect in the project area. But a lot is yet to be done to achieve a massive effect on Kolam community and for sustainable management of natural resources like forests. This film was prepared with the kind support of Mr. Ajay Dodke and Ms. Prajakta Bhasme.